What's up, Sweathearts? Welcome to tutorial for Water by Sushy. And we love the artist Sushy. We used her for our 2017 Summer Dance Video Jam to Jumpin' Up, so check it out. Now, it's winter, almost springtime here in the Netherlands, but summer is right around the corner, and I love the song for warm weather. It's about being in the waves and pushing away the days and just enjoying yourselves. Let's get started. We're gonna start with a little hula step, a little Hawaiian step to get really in the mood. We're gonna take the hands with the little wave, and we're gonna take the side with the hips. 2 times, and left for 2. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna take the right arm out. Right, step, left, step, right arm back to the hip, left to the hip. We're gonna take it up on a little V step. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. And so we're gonna go V and V. So it's a box. Out, 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 out. And then we're gonna take it side, side, and swim. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat. Facing the front. We just start. Little hula, side, and side. Right arm, right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit, hit, bird, arms. Good. After those arms, we're going to take the right foot across. Tap, tap, and the left hand is going to come back as the right foot goes back. 1, 2, 3. And it's going to wave. Tap, tap. 1, 2, 3. Tap, tap. 1, 2, 3. And then we hit again, and body wave. So let's do that facing the front. Nice and slow to start. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to tempo. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great, we just finished those beautiful bird arms, and we're going to go into the chorus. Now we have this little slide step. It goes side, side, to the right, slide, and we have 4 jumps, and we're going to just flick the wrists as we're pushing away the days. We jump 5, 6, 7, 8. And we slide to left, slide, left, and we're going to have 4 kicks, but we're going to have the arms right in front, and we're going to pump those arms as we kick right, kick left, kick double right. And then we're free to go again. Side, side, slide, jump, 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 side, side, slide, kick, 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 kick. Now the right leg is free either to start again from the beginning or to go into our third section, which we'll learn next. Good, we go 2 times through, and then we have that third section, just like before with that kick. Ta, 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 step, step, 1, 2, 3, step, step, 1, 2, 3, step, step, 1, 2, 3. Now we have 4 more, but we're going to elevate it. We're going to kick, kick, punch, pull the elbow around. Kick, punch, pull the elbow around. Kick, kick, pull, kick, kick, and punch, pop, 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 facing the front. So we just did our second set, and we're going into that. Step, step, water, step, step, water, step, step, water, step, step. Here comes those kicks. Kick, punch, 1, 2, 3, kick, punch, 1, 2, 3, kick, punch, 1, 2, 3, kick, punch, 1, 2, 3. Let's start again at the top with that V step, back and back. Quick, 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 side, side, arms, one more time, arm and arm, back and back, out, out, back, back, arms, arms, and bird. To get ready for the finale, which is again to the side, 4 times, side, kick, kick, double, kick, side, 4 times, slide to the left, kick, kick, double, kick, 1 more side, both sides, 4, single, single. Last one, 2, 4 jumps. And side, kick, kick, double kick. And we're gonna finish with a nice easy breezy hula. Yes, so get ready for summer. Let's dance it.